How to fix you can't make this change because the selection is locked Microsoft Word error. So if you want to fix the problem, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your files. So go with your files on your laptop or your PC and go with this PC option. Once you're under this PC, you will have all of these disks. So you just need to simply go with the local disk C, open that. Once you've opened, now you need to go with program files. You can go with program files and here you can search for Microsoft Office and you will have the Microsoft Office, right? So if you don't have the Microsoft Office under your program files, you just need to simply go with the next program files, which is x86. You just need to simply go with that, and here you may have that option. So you just need to simply choose any one of these and you can go with Microsoft Office, search for it and open up the Microsoft Office. Once you've opened, now here you will have the Office 16 or Office 15, whichever you've downloaded. So you just need to simply go with Office 16 or that Office folder. And here you will have this kind of folder, which is OSPPREARM. So what you need to do is just simply select that and then right click on it and go with Run as Administrator and then click on Yes, and it will automatically disappear. So you just need to simply do this for 2 to 3 times, and once you've done that, then your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix you can't make this change because the selection is locked Microsoft Word error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.